So, this is...
Wait, go.
So, ito yung mga ingredients na kailangan natin.
Go.
All-purpose flour. Sasabihin ko, flour. Hindi, mahilig kasi ako sa flour.
Yeah, mahilig siya mag-map.
Yes. We have a chocolate chips.
Yes.
Yeah. We have boya, just in case na kulangin yung chocolate chips. Of course, we have buttercup.
Butter.
We have butter, and then the sugar, white sugar and brown sugar. And then we have the baking powder. And of course, itlog.
Yes.
Itlog.
Okay, let's start. First step is ibaba. Okay.
Guys, we forgot the vanilla. Where is the vanilla?
The vanilla
So, andyan lang yan sa grocery.
Ayun! I can see the light. It's kind of the sea.
Yan. Okay.
Hi everyone! galing si Art talaga. Wash that! Wash ka naman po. Okay. Magbayan, hi everyone. And go for the cookies. You make your own script, eh? Nagliwanag ang buo.
So, what's our first step?
So, iba-brown pa kami.
Anong first step, tita?
Okay. I-melt yung butter.
So, i-melt namin yung butter. And after that,
I think ilalagay na natin yung sugar.
okay.
And then we mix.
Okay.
Ganun. And then put it this and that.
Okay.
Yeah, that's with love.
Okay. So, ayan. Ano-in lang namin yung water and then melt the butter. Yes. Okay, so after mga 2 minutes,
2 minutes.
ayan na siya. I'm going to... Wait, can I taste?
We're going to taste. Halo-halo. Excited ko lang po. Sayang.
Guys, it's so bango.
Because it's buto.
Can you try it? Guys, it's melting. Oh my gosh. The butter is melting. Smooth like butter, like undercover. Malapit na siya mag-melt, guys.
It's almost liquid.
Yes.
The solid turned into liquid.
Wow.
Sayang. Now we should...
I'm really curious if solid can be a liquid, why liquid not can be a solid? Ate Hannah, can you explain it?
I cannot do it. It can. You should freeze it.
Oh yes, you're right. Oh, it's melting na, guys. Wala na ako nakikita ang buo-buong butter. Because it all melts.
Chef Yan. Chef Andy. Chef Yandre.
That's yan.
Chef Yandre.
Or yung kamay ko, guys. Pakita nyo naman.
Nanay. Mga nanay be like.
That's what Filipino do in the kitchen.
Yes.
Okay na po.
Hindi, pag-uwi mo siya hanggang sa magbula-bula.
Nagbubula na po. You're supposed to,
Cook it ba? Stop it. Naka-makeup akong ganito yung
Kasi nag-photoshoot siya, guys.